Since the beginning of its days, the great city of Cusco has held between its walls stories of ancient Incan glory and the banners of the Spanish crown, blending tradition, philosophy, religion, and dialect. Inkaterra La Casona is a 16th century colonial mansion, built as home to historical conquerors and explorers, a pearl in the heart of Cusco. Its exquisite suites, personalized service, and excellent restaurant will become home away from home as you explore temples, museums, and markets of Cusco. A destination for cultured travelers, hikers, and nature lovers. During Easter week, the city beholds the procession of Taitacha, the Lord of Earthquakes, a wooden sculpture of Christ on a cross. An image then bounds together both Quechua and Spanish, rich syncretism of cultures, the saint guardian of the people of Cusco.